Step-by-step advanced fix guide. Step 1, verify game files. Open Steam/Launcher. Right-click the files. Properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. This repairs broken or missing files. Step 2, update GPU drivers and system. Install the latest NVIDIA AMD GPU drivers. Clean install if possible. Update Windows fully. Install latest DirectX plus Visual C++ redistributables x64 and x86. Step 3, run as admin and disable optimizations. 1. Go to the Finals Install folder. 2. Right-click the Finals.exe Properties Compatibility tab. 3. Run this program as administrator. 4. Disable full-screen optimizations. 5. Optional. Try Windows 8 compatibility mode if crash persists. Step 4. Disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay, GeForce Experience, MSI Afterburner, Razer apps, etc. Close unnecessary background apps before launching. Step 5. Repair anti-cheat. Navigate to the Finals Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Run Easy Anti-Cheat Setup.exe. Select Repair Service. Step 6. Reset config files. Press Win-R. Type Sent Local App Data Sent. Open Embark Studios. Delete the Finals folder. This resets config and cache. The game will rebuild fresh settings at next launch. Step 7. Reinstall if needed. Uninstall the Finals. Delete leftover folders, the C-program files x Steam, Steam apps, the Finals, Descent local app data sent, Embark Studios, the Finals, reinstall clean. Extra tips, advanced. If on NVIDIA in control panel, set power management mode, prefer maximum performance. If on AMD, disable anti-lag, chill, enhance sync. If using Windows Insider build or overlay heavy software, switch back to stable Windows build. After these steps, exit code MASH1 fatal crash should be fixed. Had SEO